we go. We're starting Stella Crown. Okay, first pack of Stella Crown. We have basic energy. You look so cute for little. Oh, that's adorable. That's adorable. Chinchu? Is that how you say that one? Ooh. Dear Toga, you look cool. Ooh. Esperanza. I think we've had you in a different art style. Lacey, cute. Ooh. Rapidash. You look cool. Vikavolt. I like. Oh, again, another art style of you. Reverse Hollow. Score Bunny. You look adorable. Ooh. We got Earthworm EX. This one's got stars all over it as well. So is this one just a hollow?